Hi children, today we are going to learn about what our arrays are all about. Now, as you are aware of variables, here an example, it says it is an essential in programming to use variables to store data items in memory. Further, such variables have suitable data types. As we know, various variables which are different in names are needed to store data items which belongs to the same data types. For instance, I have some data types starting from P, Q, R, S, T, and their data type values are integer. And once I assign them, I can initialize them with values. Here num1, num2, num3 as real as decimal values. So why do we use arrays then? Let's learn what arrays are all about. An array is used to save data items of the same type in a memory using a single variable identifier name. Hence, use an array enables to store data as required under a single variable. This is the most important thing. In a single variable, we can have only one value, but using an array, a single variable can have a many. So, name without providing different variables to each item. Now, for example, there is, now if I just make this variable as pet, I can name the pet name 0 to dog and the pet name 2 to cat. Now, what is 0 and what is 2? They are the positioning of index in a variable or in an array. So, position or index number 0, the position number 0 refers to the value of pet name equals to a dog, and then the positioning number 2 or the index number 2 is equal in a pet variable as cat. So if you go down over here as an example, they show you each card holds a single piece of data, each card. So I can say compartment or cart, train cart number 1, number 0, or number 0, number 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on until the cards are over. So how do you define an array? An array is defined by using a name first. You can give var and name it as name of the array, and it's going to be equal to an array and the first index number. You can say 0 and then there is a small 2 dot that refers to last index number. And here is the example: var marks array data type equals to, with this angle 2 brackets, 0 to 9. It will hold, what are they going to hold? As integer values. So here you will see a brief image that says the index number of 0 and the index number of the last index 9. So if you count 0 to 9, the array of the length is 10. So there are 10 values you can add to a single variable called marks. That is very good when it comes to a programmer. Programmer doesn't need to write one array, two array, or many arrays. He or she can use a single array to assign values for the given numbers. So I hope you understand this, and the next lesson I'll teach you how these arrays are done. So when you're assigning variables, here you are, my pet equals my pet array 0 is going to be equal to dog, as I said to you. So let's jump onto few examples, and you will enjoy. And then if you have a doubt, pause the video and refer the video back again. Thank you, children.